What's up? This is This Love. You know, happy to be back with you once again and happy you were able to come into my opinion home about things. Well, Indisputable, one of our favorite YouTube channels I like watching to get insight on stuff. I just had to show this situation where we going with it with kids and stuff like that. You know what I mean? But check it out. This is crazy. This is a child now. What do you gotta go through? Many of us done something sort of like this, but this right here is crazy. Check it out.
Child gets arrested for urinating. Put up the picture. Now, this is insane. A mother obviously is furious after her 10-year-old child was detained, arrested, put in a police car, and jailed in her presence for urinating behind her car.
Now you heard he say it right. Urinating behind the car. Now where you gotta go, you gotta go. That's any of us. Sometimes we have to just say, forget it. I gotta go. And his mother right there, I guess, in presence, and hey, I gotta do this. Or she was somewhere else, but I have to do this. And he does it. There's a problem. Oh yeah, there's a problem with that. Now, many of us, me or you, we've had to look out and say, I really gotta go. And today, if I can, and I'm older, so I know being a young child ain't know where to go. I got to go. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff that comes with this. Now we know it's they said law or whatever, but you gotta go. You gotta go. Anyway, here you go. We're gonna finish it.
What should have originally been a stern warning was dramatically escalated by the Mississippi police. The child, Quintavious, cried in the back of the police car and was later taken to the jail. I kid you not. Before taking the child away, the officer brought him to his mom, who was visiting her lawyer's office. She says she was only away from her son for approximately 10 minutes. The officer explained to her what happened, and at first seemed to just want to give a warning to the kid. Quote, I was like, son, why did you do that? He said, Mom, my sister said they don't have a bathroom there. I was like, you know better. You should have come and asked me if they had a restroom. He, the officer, was like, since you handled it like a mom, he can get back in the car, said Eason, according to Fox 13. But when more officers came,
oh boy. Yeah, more officers came. It's bigger than that now. We gotta do something about this. You gonna have to, yeah.
He changed his mind. He decided to charge the 10-year-old with a crime. While his mom was filling out his release papers, Quintavious had to be away from her. The mother said a ranking officer insisted that the child must be incarcerated now for his actions. Because of this incident, like many parents of Black children, she now fears the officer's unreasonable acts may result in a bad relationship with the police and her son in the future. Put up the picture. You see, this is how the us and them philosophy, belief system, the values expression starts. The child gets arrested, charged, jailed in front of his mother, doing something that adults do sometimes.
You already said? Now, this is another one I picked up. We do it sometimes. It just happens. You can't hold that. Can you hold that? I guarantee you, one of those, the officers done that before. We've all done it. If you gotta go and you be in a certain predicament, you can't get there. You just go, cause I can't go nowhere else. I don't. Can he drive? He don't know. He don't know the situation. Oh, and the sister said what he knows the bathroom, but a lot of times people like, I gotta go. But no, it's always more the story, right?
When they gotta go. He's a child. He cannot form mens rea. So let me break this down. The reason why this arrest is so unlawful is because no one would presume that a 10-year-old can form mens rea, which means the mental capacity to know what you're doing is a crime and to engage in criminal conduct anyway. It is a prerequisite in virtually every jurisdiction with most laws. I'm just speechless right now. Why would you arrest a 10-year-old kid? She asked. Child said he was taken to a cell and referred to youth court on a child in need of service count. The mother said this is the type of incident that could traumatize a child. Quote, my baby could get to the point where he won't have to encounter the police, period. Miss Issa said. I started crying a bit. They took me down there and got me out of the truck. I didn't know what was happening when Tavius recalled. I get scared. I start shaking and thinking, I am going to jail. He's 10 years old. That should never be the thought process of a child. He's shaking because he's traumatized. It's inside of his bones. It's in his heart. It's in his system. He can't stop it. He sees the police now. He likely has an emotional response that he may keep quiet, but is ravishing through his heart. Nervous because he's traumatized by the police. Let's put up the police station.
I'm gonna stop right there. That does bring trauma. Like I said in one of my other videos, being even stopped by the police at a young age, you feel a certain way. You know you need them, but at the same time you're afraid of certain situation that may occur. Something, even this little incident right there, it occurs, and you feel a certain way as a child's like, I don't know about these people now. I don't know about these cops now. Just remember last week or 2 weeks ago, young boy at 12 years old, he was just taking out the trash. This was just dealing with urine. This guy, the young boy in Michigan, he had to deal with, I'm just taking out the trash. My pops told me to do what I'm supposed to do. And all of a sudden, I'm a suspect. Yeah, I am a suspect in this situation. Now this boy, he gonna be looking like from 10 on out. He gonna be like, man, I don't even want to be. I don't know what they might do, man. If I gotta this happen to me at 10, boy, when I'm 15, when I'm 17, I don't want to see no part of that. Who does? No one wants to see a part of that in their life. But that's what we go through. That's what we go through. Hey. They just love. This is my show. I do like them. Yes, I do like him. He's good at what he does. So, always check out their station. But I love to check out my station too. But I don't know. They just love. Like, subscribe, push the notification button, and put a comment down below. And I'm out.